just prior to actually laying down your seam tape paper and gluing, it's important to lay these in and make sure that we're lining up our 2 pieces of grass, that we're lining up and getting prepared to seam. And it's very, very important to leave yourself some overhang, because we never want to trust that our cuts that either come from the roll or that we do ourselves are 100% square or perfect. Here you can see the grass is right up against the wall, right on the nailer board on this end. And as we come this way, there's a gap, and there's probably about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch gap. So what we want to do is make sure that we create some overhang on both sides, because our most important step is making sure that we are seamed and that we hide our seam, and then we can cut off the excess on each one of these ends. So always leave yourself a couple of inches on both sides. Worry about getting your turf lined up and seaming first, and then cut off your ends.